guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. So in today's video, wait, what are you looking at? Oh, this. I know it can get very distracting because it's actually quite a big mole that I've got here on my arm. And this was not there when I was born or when I was a baby, as you can see in this picture of mine. But somewhere down the line it appeared and it started growing bigger in size. But all this while I didn't really bother much about it and never thought of getting it removed. But now when my friend Devita, who's a dermatologist, saw this, she told me that now that you're making so many videos and getting so many pictures clicked, then why don't you get this removed, because it's a completely safe procedure without any side effects. So today finally I'm going to get this mole removed, and obviously Devita is going to perform this procedure for me. So I thought that I might as well share this experience with you, because there would be many of you out there who have a mole somewhere which you want to get removed, but at the same time you are a little nervous or confused or apprehensive about it. So in this video I'll tell you how my experience with this procedure was. We'll get your queries answered by Dr. Devita, and we'll also try to show you a little bit of the procedure. So I'm now at Devita's place and we're going to start with the procedure of removing the mole right away. And guess what? We are going to show you the procedure as well. I mean glimpses of it, and don't worry, it won't be very scary or gross. And post the procedure, Devita will be answering the queries that you might be having if you want to get a mole removed. So let's start.
I am applying Betadine to make the area sterile. I am giving injectable local anesthesia so that the procedure is absolutely painless. The size of this mole is quite big, so I am using injectable local anesthesia. If the moles are very small, then injections are not required. We can just use a numbing cream. We'll keep the bandage just for 1 day. You can remove this bandage after 1 day, and after that you just have to apply antibiotic cream for 3-4 days.
So I've got my mole removed now, and here's the dressing. And as you can see, I am not at all in pain. It was a completely painless procedure, and it took like 5 minutes, right? Yeah, so and I was in these clothes. I didn't have to change my clothes. I didn't have to wear any patient's robe or anything. So completely painless and a very quick procedure. So Devita, there might be many people out there who have a mole or a skin growth somewhere which they want to get rid of, but for some reason they are not getting it removed. Like I didn't get this removed for such a long time until you told me. So what do you have to say to such people?
These are abnormal skin growth which are benign. It can be of varying shapes and sizes and in numbers also. Some people get 1 or 2, other may get many of them. They can be of different colors also. So if you have these growths on your body, there is nothing to worry about. You can go to a qualified dermatologist and remove it, and try to remove it when they are very small, because then the chances of getting a scar mark is very less, and the appearance will be cosmetically more appealing.
So since you mentioned scars, now my mole was quite large when we removed it. So is there a chance that I might get a scar after this procedure?
No, the chances of getting a scar is very less if it is done in a proper method. So it is always better to go to a qualified dermatologist for removing these skin tags. In fact, Ishpreet, you can show it to your viewers when you will remove your dressing after 3-4 days.
Yeah, that I'll be definitely doing. So I'll be showing you guys the condition of my skin at this area where I had the mole after a few days when it will be completely healed. And is there any post-operative care required? I mean, do I have to do anything specific after this procedure?
No, just the bandage which I have put now. You can remove the bandage by tomorrow, and just you have to apply antibiotic cream for 3-4 days.
Okay. And are there any chances that I might get this mole back? Can it reoccur?
No, if the procedure is done in a proper method, the chances of recurrence is very less, and it is almost zero.
Okay, so that's why it is important that you don't go to any doctor, but go to a qualified skin doctor for getting a skin tag or a mole removed. And Devita, the method that you used today to remove my skin growth, was it laser?
No, Ishpreet, it is not laser. It is radio frequency cautery machine. There are different machines. Sometimes doctors use lasers also. But removal of skin tag or moles by radiofrequency cautery machine is one of the safest and most economical method.
Hi guys, so it's been a week since I got my mole removed. So let me show you how it looks like now. So as you can see, the wound has healed completely and I've got new skin here. Obviously the new skin is lighter in color as compared to the rest of my skin because it is still fresh. But with time it will also take the same color. And also the healing period can vary from person to person. For some people it might take only 4 to 5 days, while for others it might take about 2 weeks for the wound to heal completely. But the results are in front of you and I can say that this procedure is surely worth going for. So I hope that through this video I could help you get rid of any apprehensions or doubts that you had regarding getting a mole on your body removed, and now you'll be able to confidently go for it. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. See you guys next time. Bye.